Let's quickly listen in to BJP's Satish Upadhyay before we tell you more about the ruckus. Let's listen in. Getting to you from outside the BJP office, BJP chief in Delhi Satish Upadhyay did not get a party ticket to contest these elections, and his supporters are extremely angry. They're saying, you fight on, we are with you. And this goes on to indicate all is not well in the BJP camp. There are several BJP leaders who are extremely miffed that Kiran Bedi has been para-dropped on them, and they were fighting, they were consolidating is what they feel. And I want to bring in my colleague Ankit Tyagi for more on this. Ankit, clearly all is not well in the BJP camp. Bring us the latest.
Well, this is a group of supporters of Satish Upadhyay, the current BJP president of Delhi. They have in fact gone across the Delhi unit of the BJP, the headquarters of Delhi BJP at Pant Marg, and they are shouting slogans in support of Satish Upadhyay. What they want is a ticket for Satish Upadhyay. You know, one thing very clearly, Gaurav, Satish Upadhyay, he's a first-time councillor. Suddenly he's been made the president of the BJP.
Yes.
And a lot of people were hoping that he will be not only getting a ticket, but probably would also be propped up as the chief ministerial face. Now,
okay, give me a minute, Ankit. Let's quickly listen into Satish Upadhyay before I come to you for more.
पैरासूट सीएम नहीं चलेगा। पैरासूट से उतार के सीएम प्रोजेक्ट चलेगा। 40 साल से जो कार्यकर्ता संघर्ष कर रहे हो वहीं में चला जाएगा। खुद लड़ने से कर रहे हैं। 70% लोग दिल्ली में पूर्वांचल में रहते हैं और पूर्वांचल को इग्नोर किया। यहाँ पर जो सतीश उपाध्याय हैं वो लड़ाना होगा प्रदेश अध्यक्ष को और पार्टी को प्रदेश अध्यक्ष को लड़ाना होगा।
चीजें डिक्लेयर होना बाकी है। मैंने ये खुद तय किया है, डे 1 से तय किया है। मैंने डे 1 से तय किया, मैंने कहा जो बोलेगा वो मेरे साथ रहेगा। इसलिए मैंने तय किया है आपको चुनाव लड़ना चाहिए। पार्टी की आपके साथ है। मैं लड़ रहा हूँ चुनाव 70 सीटों पर। नहीं जी नहीं। हम सबको पार्टी को मिलकर के चुनाव लड़ाना है और 70 सीटों पर कमल खिलाने हैं। सभी कार्यकर्ता भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी।
And I want to once again get back to headlines today is Ankit Tyagi to get us up to speed with more on this big story. Now, Satish Upadhyay may be saying that I am contesting all 70 seats to ensure the BJP wins, but within the BJP camp, there are people who are extremely angry that Kiran Bedi has been brought in and the senior city leadership of the party has been left out in the cold, Ankit.
Absolutely, Gaurav. In fact, yesterday when Mr. Amit Shah, a little bit in anger when he told reporters that everything is well within the BJP and it is only the media speculation about the rift within the Delhi BJP, probably, despite the best efforts of the BJP senior leadership, it seems that there are still a strong sentiment as far as the local leadership is concerned. There were many who have been associated with the BJP for many years. There are a lot of people, those who are not liking it. There is Jaiprakash from Sadar Bazar constituency who is sulking. Apart from that, we have always heard that Harshvardhan is also somebody who in fact has ambitions to become the chief minister of Delhi. There is another candidate, Jai Bhagwan Singh from Rohini, who is now going to who probably will go a rebel against the BJP. So you cannot say that everything is well within the BJP. A lot of people believe that the party high command has somehow parachuted Kiran Bedi on their head. Nakul Bhardwaj, another candidate from Patpargarh constituency, he was not given tickets. So there are a lot of people, those who have worked on the ground and happy. The BJP is hoping that Amit Shah would be able to bulldoze all these people, and they will have to then come out and support Kiran Bedi and stand as the party line is. But
Ankit, this anger is not restricted just to Kiran Bedi being brought in and given a ticket or becoming the chief ministerial face of the BJP. The anger goes down, as you rightly pointed out, to Vinod Binni, to Krishna Tirath, outsiders who are coming in and getting prominence within the BJP over the party rank and file.
Absolutely. A lot of BJP supporters and workers, if you speak to them, saying it's just because Vinod Kumar Binni, who according to them do not enjoy the kind of support that other senior leaders do, he has been brought in just to embarrass the Aam Aadmi Party, and he has been given a ticket against Manish Sisodia. So, all these things are there. Krishna Tirath, as you pointed out, Gaurav, all these examples are worrying examples. And you have also covered politics for a long time, despite the media glare being, on Amit Shah saying that everything is well.
Yes.
On the ground, if the workers are not happy, that does not augur well usually for the parties.
Keep tracking that story, Ankit. I will come back to you for more.